How NRIs can invest in mutual funds in India. Welcome to Money Ki Baat Alpa ke saath. I'm Alpa Shah and I'm very excited to share the video which will guide to non-resident Indians on how they can invest in mutual funds in India. Whether you are looking to grow your savings or support India's economy, this video will walk you through the steps and benefits of mutual fund investments in India. Let's get started. First and foremost, as an NRI, you need to have the right bank accounts. You'll need either an NRE non-resident external or NRO non-resident ordinary account. These accounts will be used to facilitate your investments and handle repatriation of funds. Please ensure name is there on the check. Your printed name is must. NRE accounts allow you to repatriate both principal and interest outside India, while NRO accounts are used for income earned in India like rent or dividends with limited repatriation. First and foremost, you need to complete your KYC process. Know your customer. The KYC is processed through RTAs like CAMS, NSDL, CVL, KRA, CARVI, etc. appointed by SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, and MFI, Association of Mutual Funds in India. This is mandatory for all the investors. You'll need to submit documents like self-attested PAN card is compulsory, Aadhaar card which is optional, passport, your address proof, Indian address proof, and a photograph. The visa copy is also required. With all these documents, KYC and FATCA form you have to submit and sign properly. There is no process for online KYC, so you have to do this KYC compulsorily offline or in physical mode. It takes almost 8 working days to do your KYC registered. You will receive the KYC recommendation and registration confirmation from your KYC appointed agencies. Once the KYC is done, no further document is required. All the process will be done online till the investment. Let us understand the further process. First, you have to register yourself for CAN. CAN generation is very important. Once KYC is registered, we will get process done for the CAN, Common Account Number, through MF Utilities, which can be done with MF Utilities help. It is a very innovative initiative taken by mutual fund industry, and it offers the convenience and it empowers the investors on mutual fund investments in various schemes. MF Utility is the platform which generates the CAN number, and it is a very easy and simple process wherein you can invest multiple schemes in mutual funds through one go or one investment itself. So it's a very convenient process for all the investors to register CAN. To generate CAN, we will update self-attested document like PAN card copy and check copy on MFU platform. A provisional CAN is generated through MF Utility platform, and once it is generated, you can transact, and everything is online. Once it is approved through MF Utility platform, the same number is converted into a permanent CAN. You will get the intimation of the same on your email ID within 2 working days. Now, after this, we have to also register nominee, and bank registration also is very important. Once the permanent CAN is generated, we will process to register the nominee and bank account. We will trigger separate link for nominee and bank account registration through MF Utility platform. The link requires to be accessed from your email ID and follow the instruction. The link has to be approved by generating an OTP which you will receive on your email ID. The nominee gets registered within a day's time, and the bank account will be registered through net banking, wherein we create a bank mandate of minimum 20 to 50 lakhs, which is the limit, and we are keeping it on a higher side because if it is lesser the limit, we may have to do multiple transactions while your investments. So if you choose a lower limit, then it is little bit troublesome if your amount is higher. So we usually suggest a higher amount, say 20 to 50 lakhs. Well, it will take 1 day to get the bank approval. Remember that. Both nominee and bank registration link will be triggered at one time. The link for nominee registration is valid for only 10 minutes and the bank registration link is valid for 24 hours. However, we suggest to approve both the bank link bank and as well as the nominee at one go. Once the nominee and bank is registered, you are ready to proceed with the investment. We will trigger the link for investment in different schemes through MF Utility platform, and the link has to be clicked and OTP has to be generated. You will receive the OTP on your email. You require to put the OTP and click the terms and condition box and click OK. You will receive a confirmation mail on the transaction within 10 to 15 minutes through MF Utility once the investment is processed, and the amount is deducted and the units will be allotted to you in 2 to 3 working days. Once the units are allotted, you will receive the account statement from the respective mutual fund companies. Further, every 10th of the month, we will send you the portfolio summary and account statement on your registered email ID. We will also provide a link, username and the password through which you can view your portfolio anytime 24/7. So it's so easy. Just by clicking OK, your investment is done, and on tip of your finger you will get everything anytime, anywhere you are in the world. Just to add, if you wish to do additional purchase, redemption or STP, and if you want to process whether it's SIP or lump sum, the process is absolutely same. There is no difference. In case of SIP, you can suggest us the date and we will proceed accordingly. As an NRI, you should choose mutual funds based on your financial goals, risk appetite and investment horizon. It's a good idea to consult with a financial advisor or an expert who can help you create a balanced portfolio. Remember to review the fund's performance, expense ratio and the fund manager's track record too before investing in mutual funds. Also be aware of the tax implications. NRIs are subject to TDS, tax deducted at source, on mutual fund schemes, but you can benefit from DTAA, double taxation avoidance agreement if applicable. Embrace yourself to start the journey towards financial freedom through mutual funds. And remember, mutual funds are subject to market risk. You have to read the offer document very carefully before investing, and past performance is never a guarantee of future performance. For portfolio management services PMS and alternative investment funds AIF, KYC compliance is mandatory while CAN is not required. Entire investment process can be done online. For fixed deposit, pension plans and ULIPs, KYC and common account number CAN is not mandatory, but a PAN card is compulsory. It's a must document, otherwise you can't invest. Entire investment process can be done online. For NRI and overseas citizens who wish to invest in GIFT City, neither KYC nor a PAN card is required. But other documents like passport, address proof, OCI card, etc. is required. Entire investment process can be done online. So it's going to be very easy if you wish to invest in Gift City.
Hope you have liked this knowledge on investing. Please like us, share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share this video with all your friends and family